In this problem, we are being asked to find the size of angle A, and we ask ourselves, can the sine rule help us? Absolutely not, because for the sine rule to work, you need an angle, and you also need this side opposite to that angle. And as it stands now, we don't know any of the angles of this triangle. So we have no option but to turn to the cosine rule. Now, what does the cosine rule says? We take one of the sides. Let's take the 16, since it's opposite to the angle we want. So we take 16, and we say 16 square is equal to the sum of the other two sides square. So it's equal to 19 square plus 9 square minus 2 times the product of these very same numbers. 2 times 9 times 19 cos the angle formed by the 9 and the 19. Or you say cos the angle which is opposite to the side you first started with, which is A. And then, where's my calculator? We need some calculations now. So let's do some calculations. So 16 square. 16 square is 16 times 16, right? That's 256. And 19 square, that's 19 times 19. That's 361. Plus 9 square, that's 81. See? Minus 2 times 9 times 19. 2 times 9 times 19. That is 342. That is 342. So 342 cosine. Now remember, before we can find angle A, we need to find cosine. And therefore, we have to do some transposing here. So let's do some grouping. Let's group all the numbers. There's negative 342 cosine. I group it over here. It's by itself. Isolate it. Bring it over. It's now positive 342. Just a moment. It's positive 342 cosine. And then here we have 361, remain positive, positive 81, and the group, this 256 over here now, the rest of the constant. Alright, so what I'll end up with, so I have 342 cos A, let's add these numbers, so we have 361 plus 81 minus 256, that gives me 186. And now we want to find cos A by itself, so we need to get rid of this 342. So we divide both sides by 342. So 342 into itself, that's 1. So we have cos A equal to, what's 186 divided by 342? .544. If you want to use 0.544 to 3 decimal places, and therefore, to get angle A, we need a calculator. To get the angle, what we do again with second function, shift. So with second function, shift, or shift, it depends on the type of calculator you have, cos 0.544, close bracket, and I get 57 degrees. So A is 57 degrees, so which means this angle here, the size of this angle is 57 degrees.